In this video, we're going to look at how to enable the Active Directory Recycle Bin feature. Let's first confirm that this feature isn't already enabled using the Get-ADOptionalFeature commandlet. Look for the Enabled Scopes property. If this is empty, as in this example, the recycle bin is not enabled for your domain. Also note the IsDisableable property. The false value here indicates that once this feature is enabled, you won't be able to turn it off again. Finally, pay attention to the required forest mode. This indicates the minimum functional level your Active Directory forest needs to be operating at to support the recycle bin feature. Before continuing, we'll confirm that our forest meets this requirement by looking at the forest mode property from the output of the Get-ADForest commandlet. Our forest is operating at the 2016 functional level, which exceeds the requirement. We'll now enable the recycle bin using the Get-ADOptionalFeature commandlet. Specify your domain name and set the scope to forest or configuration set. This operation cannot be undone, so you'll need to confirm that you do indeed want to continue. Finally, let's confirm that the recycle bin has been enabled by rerunning the Get-ADOptionalFeature commandlet and inspecting the Enabled Scopes property. That has been enabling the Active Directory Recycle Bin feature. Thank you for watching.